I just got out of lockdown, and this is the first day where it's not raining. It's actually looking like it's threatening, but the problem is it's very windy. It's 21 k's an hour. That is the highest winds I've ever attempted to fly in. But this guy right here, you can see him rocking back and forth. He's got the latest Matek H7 Autopilot, and I'm hoping that the computer on board will assist and keep it steady even in this wind. It's a bit of a risk. I just got this thing fixed. It's looking like a bit beat up, but it is solid as a rock right now. So I'm really hoping, and we'll see, I might bail, but I'm really hoping that it's gonna handle it. Look at that. That's on the ground. So we might be playing with fire, but hey, I've been in lockdown. It's time to go for a fly. Let's just send it. Oh, she's wobbling. She's wobbling. Bring her back. To be honest, not too bad. If this was in manual mode, I'd be flopping all over the place. You can see her wobbling in the wind. She's going very fast too. Alright, let's bring her down. Whoa! That's so fast. That's so fast. Alright, let's try and do another circle.
Battery at 90%.
Okay, so that's one of the downsides, I guess, to this wind.
Motors disarmed.
It's making her fly very fast. Oh, this is crazy. Took a bit of damage to the wing.
Manual flight mode.
So landing is intense in this wind. That's one of the things I've learnt. How's she looking? She looks alright. I mean, do I want to go again? Oh, I don't think I can bring myself to do it again. It's like one of those moments where you just like, do I send it? I'm gonna crash. I mean, it's not gonna go well. You can hear it updating as the wind blows. It's really too windy. I'm chickening out. She's already had one crash today. I don't want to go even harder. Right, so flying in the wind is possible with an autopilot. The autopilot and the gyros, the accelerometers are going to help you keep it upright, keep it flying straight, but land into the wind. Like you can see in the footage there, when I'm flying against the wind, I'm getting speeds of 20 k's an hour. And as soon as I turn around and fly with the wind, it shoots up to 60, 70 k's an hour. So as long as I would have landed into the wind then, I could have touched down smoothly and would have been great. So yeah, I'll probably fly in those kinds of winds again. Maybe.